how to add a poll in Slack. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a poll in Slack. Just make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss any of the important steps, especially if you want your poll to look clean. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Slack website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click that. Now, instead of entering your email and password manually, just click on Sign In with Google. That'll save you a little time if you're already signed into your Google account. You'll be shown a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one connected with your Slack workspace and then click Continue. This helps Slack sync everything correctly and give the proper permissions for what we're about to do. Now, once you're in, you'll get the option to either open Slack in the desktop app or just continue using it in your browser and it'll take you to your Slack dashboard. Look at the bottom left corner of your workspace. You'll see an option called Add Apps. Click on that and then hit Browse Apps. This takes you into Slack's app directory, which is basically where you can explore all the cool add-ons Slack supports. In the search bar at the top, type in Simple Poll. That's the tool we're going to use. It's super easy to use and works perfectly for quick polls. Once you find it, click Add to Slack. I've already installed to my Slack. It'll ask you to approve a few permissions, and once you do that, it'll get installed right into your workspace. Now head back to the Slack channel where you want to post your poll. This could be your team's general chat, a project-specific channel, or anywhere else you want feedback from. In the message box, type poll and hit Enter. This brings up the simple poll setup window. Now go ahead and type your question along with a few options. Something like, what time works best for our meeting? And then list a few time slots. Once you've filled that out, click Preview to see how your poll will look to everyone. This is your chance to fix anything if it looks off. If everything looks good, just hit Create Poll. And your poll is live. Everyone in the channel will see it and they can start voting right away. It's super simple and a great way to make decisions, get feedback, or just have a bit of fun with your team. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and share it with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.